Morning. Right, so today I'm practicing with my big pack again. Just spent the last couple of going through Watergate Park, really just filling on with straps and all that to make it more comfortable for myself. But today, start from Watergate Park, and Lottie Hill and Gateshead. Come through there, come over the road, we're going up towards Beamish and then sort of back down. We'll go through Hedley Hall Woods, next to where Beamish Museum is, and then back round Cozy Arch, Tanfield Railway line and the lake, and then back. So let's have a look. Right, so it's Tanfield Railway now. So we've been going up the Tanfield Railway path that runs all the way down to like Dunstan, where I live, eventually. So you come up here and this is where it meets the Bowes Railway path, and then really it's a straight sort of path. You can go all the way on to sort of Jarrow. I've done that before. I think that was about 14-15 miles or something like that back to my house. But this is sort of where we'll go across. We're going to cut along the path along there. There's like a secret path going down to Hedley Hall Woods. And then we're just sort of going to loop around. And I don't know if you can see them trees just down the dip there. We're going to go along there and along just so we're not come back on ourselves. But you can come back on yourself. Once you've hit like the Cozy Arch, like arch bridge, you can sort of come up this field and then back along, but we're going to like sort of loop and go up that way, just so we're not like going back over ourselves. So right, we'll cross the road and go down to Hedley Hall Woods, which I wouldn't do in like autumn, winter time because it gets really boggy down there. But this time of year, the paths are usually cracking. So, let's have a look. Right, I've took a little detour. I don't usually come along this path, but I've just been speaking to a couple there next to where that statue is. They only put them up on Thursday. They were saying there's another one along here, a woman with a horse or something. So I'm going to have a little look along and then go back and along the dirt track a little bit later on. So let's see if we can find it. I just decided to go straight on down the path because you come out the same bit at the end there. I've just realised. Supposedly there's 3 of them statues. Don't know where the hell the other one is. Probably worth a bit of an adventure around here. I'll try and find the 3rd one sometime. That was a nice little surprise, another reason for you to come, I suppose. Well, this is a bit boggy alley. Aye, so like I was saying to that couple there, it's a place that a lot of people don't like knows. Yeah, Hedley Hall. I mean, there's a car park, there's everything, you know. Looks as though they're trying to like do it up a little bit, because I noticed when I first come in, the first path to the left, they were re-gravelling it and stuff like that. So I think they're trying to spruce it up a bit to get people to come, I think. So that's a good thing, because some of the paths aren't the greatest here, I must admit, but it is a lovely walk, like in the fine weather, like when it isn't boggy, like. We're coming up sort of Beamish Burn, and then sort of outskirts of Beamish Museum. Sort of go along where, if you've ever been before, where like the town and the railway station is. That's like the other side of the burn from where we are. So let's crack on and get through these woods, eh? So I've just come down that path. I usually come up from that path and turn this way. I've never been along there before, but there's like a load of little paths that go off to where we're going to. But I just thought I'd come down here to show you the usual way that I go. This is a part of the walk I love doing, along this path. Like, just feels like you're in the middle of nowhere. Can you hum of traffic in the distance? Like, it's lush. That's a bit of Beamish up there, actually. See some of the buildings. So you sort of skirt round it for a bit by Beamish Hall, and then like on a road for a little bit, and then back into a bit of woods or a field onto the Tanfield Railway. But I just hug Bladenburn. There's a place called Bladenburn, by the way. Beamish Burn until there's Beamish Hall over in the distance there, I think you can see. So you go up the road just before you get to there. Lovely little stream, this, gorgeous. And like I say, you can see a bit of Beamish Museum while you're here as well. Beamish Hall do one of them sort of climbing things as well. You know, like them sort of great things. It's just over the wall there. I think my two have been before, a while back. Can he, like? I was busy like looking at the stream and stuff like that, you know. I thought, just get me cameras, take some video of the stream. Took the video of the stream, but the other side of the fence was a bloody deer staring at us. I'm so sorry I didn't get it, like, cause it would have looked mint. Would have looked brilliant. But and I just panicked. So there again, I'm so sorry I didn't get the deer. As soon as I seen us looking at it, I just scarpered way into the woods. Never mind, next time. So come out here and take that next right along there. That's a little steep climb up past like the stables farm thing. You just go on the outskirts to it, turn like left when you get to the gate, and you sort of come to this path here, road. It's like the one that takes you from like Sunnyside up to like Stanley and whatever. You can't cut across that field over the road, but I'm going to go down the road and up to the train station. I'll show you that, but you can sort of cut through and like further up Tanfield Railway if you want to, but like I say, I'll show you the railway station at this end, and I'll tell you a little story. Right, that little path that we just went down there, right? When would it have been? December the 31st, 2020, New Year's Eve. Me and the wife went for a little walk along here. Lovely, no bother. So we went over stiles, over the fields, over there. The lot. Got to there, fell over, broke a wrist. Couldn't believe it. Unbelievable. That's just hurt all over. Spent all New Year's Eve in hospital. It was great. So a cosy arch, we'll just go and have a look at the other side, but then we'll like go down that path there to the bottom and along the valley a bit. So let's have a look over the top. Can go back up there, some steps just along the way there they are, but we're going that way. Right, this is another place where you can like sort of go up high, or sometimes go up that way. If you can't see the bloke on the bike, stay back up to where like we'll cut across the road to get to Hedley Hall Woods. That'll take you up to the woods there. I'm going to go around that corner there. There's a little signpost there that sort of takes you to Marley Hill, and then I'll go through Sunnyside and then through Lottie's Woods, back into Watergate Park and back to the car. Should be around about 15-16 mile altogether. I'm starting to feel it now for some reason. I don't know, it's because I've got a heavier pack on my back, but getting a bit tired now, like, but the weather's been lovely, like, so there we go. Oh, I forgot to mention when I was talking about the wife, about 4 months later, she fell again and broke her same wrist again at High Cup Nick. Now I've got a video for that as well, I'll put it in the description. Same wrist, it didn't hurt as much that time. I remember coming back from High Cup Nick, she was eating a lot, so I thought she was just alright, but when she fell here, oh my god, she fell straight on her backside, straight down. I thought she'd hurt her back or her backside, but that's got plenty of cushioning. But I thought she'd hurt her back, but no, she'd fell on her hand. Oh, hey, I had to run up the railway track. I was like Spender, if you remember him, running up the metro stations. I was like him, run back to the car, getting her back to the hospital and all that. What a nightmare, man. And that's why I don't like coming out with her. Would do blame us. It's a pain in the backside, but there we go. Right, carry on with this one anyway, without any injuries, hopefully. Right, so I think that's the last climb of the day. I really like this little bit. It's just a steady little bit of path here. Again towards Molly Hill. So over that side, behind the trees, is the Tanfield path that goes like next to the railway track to sort of sunny side, and that's the sort of area we'll be coming out at. From there on it's just like sort of through sunny side, back down through Lottie's woods. It's a little bit of a detour, but it's a nice little bit of wood. It sort of joins on Watergate Park, so you can sort of, you know, do it any which way you want really, like. So I'll show you Lottie's woods, and on to the finish. I tell you what, it's getting warmer and warmer. Like, I just should take my fleece off, like, but I just didn't want to stop. So like I say, we're sort of at the top now. I'd say we're about 3/4 of the way through it, and it's just mosey on down from now on, hopefully. So you can go along the path that's behind them houses there that we came up before. We're going to go through Sunnyside. As you can see, there's loads of trees down in these woods. Just had to go under one before and my backpack got caught. Forgot I had it on. So you have to watch yourself going through with this. Like I've mentioned in like other videos I've done that the winds, storm or wind especially, and 2021 there. Took a load of trees down in the north, like. So a lot of places haven't had them cleared away, like. So I'm sure there used to be two of them. Must have been another one come down since I've last been here, like, but let's be mindful of that. So we come on the form here, and then people can either turn left, right, whatever, and like sort of straight ahead as a crow flies, sort of, from me. There's Watergate Park, so you can just mix and match whatever you want to do. Either way is great, but I'm going up the left there along that path in the distance there, and then cut down. So this is part of the first video that I've done. Was around here. Seems like ages ago since I've done that. It was just to sort of test out, really, the day the Cleveland Way, the day video for that, because Adrian Wall one that me and my son done isn't on this channel. Got blocked out the channel that we put it on, forgot the password and whatnot. So if anybody can help with that sort of thing, much appreciated. He like done all the videoing, and well, he didn't do all the videoing, but he done all the technical thing like editing and stuff like that. So I thought, I'll give it a go. I'm alright. What do you say? Not great, but passable, I would say. So that's bringing back memories of us coming through here. Yeah, because just down the hill basically to my house from here, so it's a bit of a regular bit of walking, this bit. But as it stands, I think it's about 3 weeks till I go to do the Cleveland Way, and I must admit I'm starting to break it now, like. Just haven't, like I said before, I haven't camped properly before. I'm doing that on my own now. I'll have to wait and see what happens. God, it's going to be a complete failure. Right. I'll see you at the cut. We can do. It's a lovely bit of the woods that day where we're going now. So see you there. Right, that was 15 miles, and like, if I'd have done from my house, it would have probably been about 17. I would have probably 16, 17. So I'm back in Watergate Park Car Park. Fair few cars there. It was quite busy, like coming back through there. I'm not one for doing I do watch the occasional like gear review thing. That's the second time I've had that Osprey. Is it Rook 65 or something I've got? First like few miles or so, my back, I just couldn't get me like top my back, my neck was like hurting. It's got that many bells and whistles on it. I just thought, alright, there must be a strap up here somewhere, and I pulled it forward and neck didn't hurt us anymore. So I just pull it all the straps if you ever get one, because I've virtually got me full gear in there now. Like, it's just a couple of clothes and stuff like that I have to put in, and that's it. It's a canny walk, Hedley. Found a bit tough today because it's got out quite warm. But that's a decent walk, that. Like, you can split it up in any sort of sections you want. The different parts, like Hedley Hall here, I think there's like websites for them, you know, like sort of Forestry Commission websites. I'll put them all in the description, because I don't know what to put in the description. That's the hardest bit for me, like, doing these. I just don't know how to type rubbish. Wait, saying that. So that's that done. Again, hope you enjoyed it. I'm never gonna ever say will you like and subscribe. I'm not doing it for that. I'm really, you know what I'm doing it for? Because I think I'm losing my mind. I'm getting, so I can watch it and go, oh, I've done that. And for the kids, to not think, and my eventual grandkids, not to think that I was a load of rubbish. Right, anyway, thank you very much for watching. All the best. See you later. Draw.